Hello, welcome to F Word Friday. Thank God it's Friday. Today's F word is feet. We all have a pair of feet. Well, most of us do. Give thanks for that. Did you know that in a single day, the average person walks 8 to 10,000 steps? That's pretty amazing. And in the course of a lifetime, that equates to 4 trips around the world. That is so amazing, isn't it? So since our feet are basically the foundation of our body, it would be a good idea to take care of it. So today I'm just going to share a very simple foot scrub with you that's easy to make. You can do it at home. You probably have most of the ingredients, if not all of the ingredients. So it starts with 1 cup of salt, and if you have sea salt, that's best. You can either get a finer grind or a larger grind depending on how much you want to scrub and how tender your feet are. And then I use Hawaiian salt, which is a sea salt, and a little bit of coconut oil. It's about 1/4 of a cup. And I know Costco sells that. And if you don't have coconut oil, you can use olive oil. That'll work just as well. And then a tablespoon of Castile soap. CVS sells that. I'm pretty sure you can find it. I got mine off of Amazon. And 15 drops of peppermint oil. So you just mix that all together in a bowl. And then you want to put it in an airtight container. And then when you're ready to do your little foot spa, you fill a container, a bucket of about 1 gallon of warm water, and you add 1 tablespoon of that mixture in there, and you let your feet soak for about 15 minutes if you can. If you have that time, 10 minutes will work as well. Then after that, take your feet out and get about 1 tablespoon and use that and rub it into all your feet, in between your toes, on your heels, any places that may have bits of hard, dried skin. Pay attention to. And then put it back in the warm water and let that sit for another 5 or 10 minutes. And then rinse off your feet, dry your feet, and then you can put on your favorite moisturizer. You will be so happy and your feet will love you, and it will be rejuvenating. Peppermint oil is uplifting and it's energizing, and it just really feels really good. It's invigorating. So I hope you enjoyed this F Word Friday. If you did, put a like on the spot or leave a comment, and I wish you a great day and a wonderful weekend. Take care now. Aloha.